Hi guys, it's Molly here. As we know, we can't live without water, sun and air. As for the important part air, there are PM 2.5, TOVC, viruses and other harmful particles that making us uncomfortable. Well, we're here to help. If you are looking for some solutions to get rid of these air issues, then we would recommend our EcoClean series frost-standing ERV. We have different models to cover room size from 50 to 240 square meters. The multiple filtration helps remove 90% pollutant within 30 minutes. And the functional design provides you 24 hours of care for your breathing. What's worth mentioning will be its ductless design and low operation sound. It's quite perfect for decorated houses, villas, classrooms, and kindergartens. Would you like to know more marketing information and application cases? Well, drop us a message now.